Used effectively, leading lines grab a viewer's attention and draw their eye to the central subject of your photograph. Leading lines often help make the structure of a photograph stronger. And to learn how to use them well, you've got to practice using leading lines often. In my 365 Days of Photography course, I teach many aspects of photography composition, including how to use leading lines well. My 365 Days of Photography course is built around the concept of short lessons and plenty of practice. Each lesson is a short video focusing on one aspect of photography. And every lesson is a challenge so you can practically put into use what you've learned. Check it out, there's a link in the description below. Often leading lines in a photo will begin in the foreground and draw the viewer's gaze back further into the photograph. A classic example of this is a country road leading off into the mountains in the distance. How you position your camera and the lens you choose will define the use of a line and whether it's a leading line or just a regular line in a photograph. A leading line only has its function because of how the photographer has used it within the composition. And learning to use leading lines or any other composition technique takes practice. Take some time to study how other photographers use leading lines well in their pictures. And then get out and practice with your camera. To learn more about leading lines, there's an article on a website. I've left a link in the description below this video. And if you've learned something today, or if you read the article and learn something, give us a like, leave us a note in the comments below. And if you're new to our channel, click on that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can stay up to date when we release new videos. Thanks for watching.